Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Hope everybody's home and safe. Welcome to another session of Healthy Cooking with me. So today I'm planning to make a dessert. I'm sure everybody is craving some good dessert. So here I am today with a healthy option of dessert. So today I'm planning to make a mug cake, chocolatey mug cake, and it's going to be totally sugar, dairy and gluten free, and hope you all will enjoy it. So let's get cooking then.
So to make this mug cake, I'm taking some oat flour since it's a gluten-free version. You can also grind some oat and make some oat flour, some unsweetened cocoa powder, some ghee or coconut oil, some almond flour. You just have to grind some almonds, and baking powder, some homemade almond milk, and some honey. And of course a mug to make your cake. So let's mix the ingredients now. So I'm taking 2 tablespoons of oat flour. You can also use amaranth flour or any gluten-free flour, or if you want to make a gluten version you can take a wheat flour. So I'm taking the ground almonds, almost 2 tablespoons. You can replace it with the same oat flour if you don't have almonds. And I'm taking 2 tablespoons of almond milk here, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So you can also use coconut sugar, agave syrup or maple syrup, anything which is not processed sugar. And I'm taking 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, just 1/4 teaspoon. Let's add some fat to it. Take 2 tablespoons of ghee or coconut oil. I ran out of ghee, so I'm using coconut oil. Ghee tastes better. Now I'm going to mix this thoroughly so that there is no lumps of flour in it. Mix it nice and thoroughly. I'm just going to wipe the edges of the mug so that it's clean. Actually I forgot a last ingredient, that is vanilla essence. Just add 1/4 teaspoon of it. Now I'm going to keep the mug cake in the microwave for just 2 minutes, and let's wait for it to cook. So 2 minutes is done. Now I'm going to take the mug cake. Okay, it's really hot. Now I'm going to insert a toothpick to check if it is cooked, and it's completely cooked.
So my mug cake is already out. I'm going to dig into it. Can you guys notice this yummy fluffy cake in just like 2 minutes? So hope you guys will try it and enjoy it.